Breakfast tayo. Maggawa tayo ng tea with milk. Tea with milk tayo, guys. Ang aking breakfast today, Monday. Good morning, everyone. Araw ng Monday. Guys. Good morning, everyone. Gawa tayo ng tea with milk. Yan tayo. Gawa tayo ng tea with milk. Aking tea with milk today, Monday. Breakfast time. Guys, ating tea with milk. Ayan guys, mayroon tayong sliced bread at ang ating salata with yogurt and mayonnaise. At ang ating tea with milk at ang ating egg, guys. Maglalagay lang tayo dito ng ating egg. Ayan. Para sa ating breakfast for today. Ayan. Ang ating breakfast for today, guys. Ating egg with bread. Ayan. Ating breakfast, guys. Din ng konting salt. Ayan, guys. Ating breakfast. Don't give up. Good morning. God bless you all. Ating salata. Ginawa ko dati itong breakfast ko ito, guys. Yummy, yummy, guys. Yummy. Masarap, guys. Ang ating ating egg. Ating egg, guys. Ayan.